All right. So I mentioned the three types, okay, where the first one is the market execution, okay, which is instant. Okay, and then there is the pending orders, okay? And the pending orders, there are two types, pending orders, okay? There is the stop orders, and then there is okay, limit orders. Just 1 second. Okay, guys, sorry, I'm trying to sort somebody here. Okay. All right. So if you see another person appearing in the class, it's because I have given him an invite. He wanted to know more. So I told him, well, I don't have time to explain. However, I will send you. Can you hear me? Yeah, I told him I would send him a link right now if he wants. Yeah. All right. So, but then we can continue. So I was going to give you an example of instant execution, which I think kind of did. Okay. Kind of give instant execution. Okay. So you look at the market, and if the market, you know, you're sure you like what you see, then you decide, let me see if I can actually go to the charts. Okay. All right, so this is an example of a chart. I like dark colors. I don't like, I could change it to a bright color, but I prefer this color. But let me see. So can you guys tell me which one you prefer? Do you prefer this mode or that mode?
I prefer the white one.
What?
This one is okay.
This one is okay?
Yeah, same.
Okay.
This one.
Okay. So this is actually a live chart. It's a live chart, and let me see if I can even make it. Okay. So this is a live chart. This is the 1 minute chart for Euro USD. All right. So there is three types of is it called what? Types of orders. You know, you want to make a market order. Okay, so you can do the market, instant market. So like now, if you look at the chart, it looks like it's going down, right? Right? If you look at the chart, generally, you might feel like this chart is actually going down. I think let's use purple. All right. So the market seems to be going down, right? So what you do, you then go ahead. The market is right here, right now. Yep, it's right there. So what you can do, you can just click sell, okay? Which means that you're telling the market that actually you want to go, okay, there he is. Okay. So sorry, I'll introduce him, and then if he wants to be part of the class, he can continue. Welcome, Evans. Meet Halima and Umnia. All right. So Evans is a buddy, and I think you may have met him before in our office. Yeah. So Evans, I was just trying to explain the three types of market executions. So there are three types of market executions. Okay. The first one is what we call instant execution. Okay. That means you look at the charts and then you make a decision right there and then. Okay. Then the other is called pending order. Now, a pending order means you don't want to enter the market right away, but given the market dynamics, you want to enter later. So you give it terms and conditions. Okay. So there are two types of pending orders. There's one we call stop orders. Okay. And then there's one we call limit orders. Now, at first, it might appear a bit confusing, but if you bear with me, you'll see the difference and what it means. So I was explaining instant order. An instant order is simple. You look at the chart, right here we see the chart, and we see that actually it's going down. And because it's going down, you decide, okay, I think it's gonna keep going down. So what am I gonna do? I will just enter the market and sell, okay? When it's going down, we're selling. So what you do, you click. So in many of the platforms, there's a place where you click, but on this particular platform, this is called TradingView. On TradingView, you enter your trades using something here, okay, this thing here. So let me remove this.
I'm sorry, Tom.
Yes.
Sorry, Tom, I've just been, I was just away. I think the system hung. Do you mind repeating just a bit since Namai came? Sorry.
Okay, Sawa. Did I start recording on it yet? No, not yet. Yeah, I'm recording, so that's good. All right, so I'll repeat, okay? Two types of orders, instant order and pending orders. Instant order is like what I told you. You look at the market, you see the way the market is behaving, and you believe it's going to go down. Or like in this case, it's going up. But if it's going up temporarily. But the general trend seems to be going down. So you want to enter your trade instantly. If you want to enter your trade instantly, using this platform, you have tools over here on the left. Okay, there's this long and there's short. So if I enter right now a short, okay, I click on that, okay, and then I come here like that. All right, it means, well, don't worry about the colors. I'm just trying to give you an example, okay, that actually you've entered a trade and the trade is a sell, right? So let me remove this so that we don't get too excited about it. Remove. Okay. So there's instant. So just remember that an instant order means you are trading what you are seeing. You are seeing the market is moving and you believe that this market is going to go down or it's going up. And so instantly you want to enter and ride it. So this is the 1 minute chart. So for now, it seems to be generally flowing down with the exception of right here, okay? So if I enter right now an instant order, I click there, then I'll be going down on that, okay, as per my instructions. That's number one. Number two, the other option is pending orders. Now, pending orders are very interesting. It means, well, you're not ready to enter it, but you had made up your analysis earlier, and you decided that this market, when it goes and reaches to a particular point, let's say, let me use what color? Blue, okay. If this market reaches here, this point here, oops, what am I doing? All right, here. If it reaches here, I actually want to buy. I don't think it will go down below there. So I'm setting it up. It's like automatic trading. You're setting it up so that even if I'm not here on the computer, while I am away, when the market reaches here, then I want it to go up. I want to buy. So we set what is called a buy limit. Buy limit. Okay? That is that second one. At the same time, I might decide, well, for me, while it's playing around here, I don't want to enter and go down unless the market reaches here. Well, I could use a different color. Maybe purple, no, purple. Green, yes. So when the market reaches here, I want to enter, but I want to enter on a sell. Okay, so we call it a sell stop. Sell stop. Okay, so as you noticed, I've used one of each. Okay, I've used sell stop, I've used limit, I've done a buy limit. Okay, those are things you're setting so that even if you're not at your computer, even if you shut your computer and you go do other things, that order will be executed as per your request. And that's why the beauty of Forex is such that you can set up, if you don't have time. So this is 1 minute. If I go to other time frames, I don't have to be on the computer. If I know I'll be busy, I'll be at work the whole day, okay? I then go to a longer time frame. See, this is 1 minute. I can go to a longer time frame and put my pending orders. In other words, I've done my analysis and I've decided that when the market reaches a certain point in the day, I want to enter. But because I'll be busy during the day, I come and set up. So I come and go to the 1 hour time frame. So this is 1 minute. I could go to 5 minutes. Okay, those are 5 minutes. And that's the same market. That's the same currency pair. Okay, 15 minutes. For those who have time during the day, if you have like an hour of trading, you can sit down and within 5 minutes, you can see wonders in 5 minutes. So that means every candle here takes 5 minutes to form, 5 minutes to form, okay? 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. So for 1 hour, that'll be about 12 of them. 12 of them will be 1 hour, okay? And so you can actually trade this one here. But if you don't have time and you're at work and you can look at the charts in the morning before you leave. So let's pretend you're looking at the 1 hour. Okay, so this is the 1 hour. And then you look and you see, that this market seems to be wanting to go up. Okay, let me use orange now. All right, so I look at this market and it seems like it's going up. So it means that maybe I can set up my trades so that when the market is going up, down, up, down, up. So when this reaches here, I want it to go up, but I don't know how long or when it will touch this point. It could be an hour, it could be 2, it could be 3, I don't care. All I know is when the market reaches here, this line here, I want to enter a buy. So I come here and I place a buy order, okay, a buy limit. Buy limit. Okay, the other platforms are easier to use. Okay, you just right click and you enter, and you even hear the market, the chart clicking and saying click, and that's a pending order. Okay, so I'll also share with you different types of platforms. Okay, so that's for 1 hour. Let's pretend that you don't know what will happen, but you have an idea that over the next few hours, the market will be going down. So what do you want to do? You actually want to set your order, okay? So like now, I have just minimized, clear all drawings, okay. So now, as you can see, if I look at the charts over the last several hours or days, the market has been going down. And then now it seems to be going up. So if you were to draw a line here, by the way, the markets are full of analysis. You can look at the charts, you can analyze, and you can actually make almost a spot on analysis. Okay, so it seems like this market comes, it hits this line, it goes up, it comes again, hits this line, it goes up. So we can ask yourself, how far did it go up? Well, we can see it went as high as there. So chances are, if it's going to go up, it might go up as high as here. Interesting analysis, which means if you had put your buy here, then you'll just be enjoying riding these profits all the way up to there. Okay, and then when you get there, you get out of your buy order. All right, so I know I've downloaded a lot of stuff in the last 5 minutes. So is there any question? So instant execution, pending order, whether it's a buy stop or a sell stop, okay, or a buy limit or a sell limit, okay. Again, I'll come back and explain more about those pending orders, but I wanted to show you that when you are doing your orders, you have options. You can come in the market and buy instantly what you see. But you can also decide, I don't like what I see, so I can wait. I can do my analysis and wait. When this market reaches there, then I want to sell. So you can actually go ahead and put your order right there. Okay, you go to the computer and you right click and you put your sell order, which means for now you don't care. When the market goes up, down, or up, when it reaches there, it will automatically enter you in your order. Okay, so that's the beauty of Forex, and that's the beauty of a lot of the tools you'll have at your disposal. So right now I was using TradingView. TradingView has become like the Ferrari of the Forex platforms, TradingView. However, some of the old ones are actually still very good. So I'm going to open up an MT4 and share the same 3 types of orders. Only now I can make them live. Let me see if I can get them. So any question in the meantime? Okay, we got to orders because we were trying to understand how to make orders. Okay, and we got from there, from the fact that we wanted to know how does one make money in Forex. Okay, one makes money in Forex when the market is going up and you buy, and the market is going down and you sell. Okay, and I think so these I still consider fundamentals, basics. Okay, let's see.
Tom.
Yes.
How did you click? Or what did you click? I saw you and I understood the analysis.
Yes.
But the clicking bit I didn't get.
The clicking. Oh, okay. Don't worry about that.
Yes.
I'm going to get
okay.
an easier platform to use. That is TradingView.
Okay.
TradingView is like
Okay.
the Ferrari of all these trading platforms, the new one. But I'm going to share with you.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, one that is it's called Old and Faithful. Let me see. It's right here. This is MT4. Okay. Okay. So don't worry about. I think I should also remove those things. I'm gonna open another chat. So this is MT4. MT4 is like the old faithful one. It comes boring like that. Okay. But I will spare you those boring. I'm gonna put a template to make it a little nicer. All right, so this is how it looks like now. So again, I will repeat, and for the sake of Evans, we haven't really covered that much, but this is the first time we're actually going into a platform, a Forex trading platform. So the Forex trading platform, like I mentioned to you guys earlier, okay, it's like a mathematical, what do you call it, chart, where we have the x-axis, and we have the y-axis. And remember, I mentioned to you that the x-axis, which I'm drawing here right now, is nothing but time. If you look down there, is time. Okay, so the x-axis denotes time. So it starts from whenever that time was to now, right? This is now, right here. On the right-hand side is currently. This is the current time. Okay. That's the horizontal. Then the vertical axis here, the y-axis, okay, the next time, the money. All right. So this is money, which means that if you look at this, see those ratios I was telling you about, this is the ratio of a particular pair. In this case, it's the Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD. So each time as you go up, you see the pair value increases. So the first thing I mentioned today was, how do you make money? Well, you make money when maybe the market comes from a point there, let's say a point there, okay? So if you don't mind, for the sake of Evans, I will repeat that again, but also for your own benefit. Let's pretend that, 7th March at 10 a.m., don't worry about the time, but the market was here. If the market was there, then this is the value at that time. Okay, that's the value at that time. Now let's pretend that, okay, you entered a buy trade at this point, a buy, and over time the market has gone up and up and up and up and up and up, and let's pretend that here you're getting off the trade right there. Okay, so this was where you bought, and this is where you got out. Remember, we said we only look at the 4 digits. So this is 1 point. So how much money will you have made between point X and Y? Well, you guys can do the math now, right? Halima, Umnia, do the math. From X to Y, okay? And I'm sure even Evans can guess that out. Okay. I'm trying to give you there. So the market came from here to there. So what is that change? The change from there to there. What's that change? So it's one, okay, if you said 1.1118, we don't really care about this last digit. Subtract 1.10, oops, 10, 8. Sorry, I think I better do this.
0.
I want to make it bigger. Trying to get an eraser. But you've done your calculations, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. I'm not hearing Omnia, so I'm assuming she has done hers. So 1.1118. And this one is 1.08150. All right. So the answer is, so that is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. This is 0. Okay, so we ignore the last digit. So then this is 0, and that is 3. So 303 pips. If you got 303 pips, then you are right. Is that what you got? Okay, we have 10 minutes. Halima, did you get 303? Omnia? Guys, I'm not hearing you.
0.0303.
Yes. So while you are away, I forgot to mention, you ignore this other digits before. Okay, it's 0.00 something. We're only concerned with, in other words, anything before that 0 point something, we ignore that. We're only concerned about this digits. Okay, so this is 303 pips. And like I told you, if you multiply this by 10, multiply that by 10, okay, that person would have made $3,030 okay, just by letting the price move from here to there. Okay, and that is average. Could be more, it could be less, but yeah. Okay. So, but my main concern is not so much how much you'll have made, because that's now very basic for you guys. You know how you make money in the market. You make money in the market when the market goes up or it comes down. So if it was up here and you did your analysis and you knew it was going to come down, so you actually entered a sell right here, okay? And then this market came down with you all the way to this point, okay? Again, how much money will you have made? Well, you take this, you subtract it from this number here. So going up, you made money. Coming down, you made money. All right? Okay. So, of course, the calculation is simple, very simple. You take this from that, and you get pips multiplied by 10, you get your dollars. So, the main reason why I brought this was to show you the different types of orders. There's instant order, and then there's pending orders. So this instant order is, okay, I come here and I look at the map, okay. In MT4, This is the famous MT4, for those of you who heard of MT4. Okay. In fact, let me see if I can remove even the looks a little bit. I want to remove the grid. So I come here and show grid there. So if I want to enter trades, instant execution, what I do, I come here to the left-hand side, okay? There. So let's pretend that, let's change this to, I think, 2 or 1.0. Okay, I told you about lot size. We'll talk about lot size later, but this is like the lot size there, 1.0. So now I want to enter right here. I know I like the way the market is going, but I want to enter it right now, okay? Let me see if I can even change the time so you can see the action. This is 1 hour, but I want to change, this is 1 hour. I'll go to the 1 minute time frame. So this is the 1 minute time frame. That means that each of these takes a minute to form. Okay, takes a minute, 1 minute to form. It'll go up, down, and so on. And as you can see here, the market seems to be going down. See, now it's starting to go down. The candle is starting to go down. So I'll come here and I want to do an instant execution. I just come and click on this. Okay, and right there you see a line. That line is a line to show an order has been created. What type of order? It's an instant execution. Let me remove this. Those are pending orders. Okay. So I have one order there that I've just created. It's going down. And as it's going down, please note that instantly I'm starting to make money because it's going down there. Look at the money I'm making now. This is $3. $3 or $2 from this small move right there. Now it's at $2. So keep an eye on this, okay, as we keep talking. As long as this thing is going to go down like that, okay, we'll be making money. If it goes up, we're going to be losing money. So right now, as you can see, we made $7, $8, $9, or $8, 9. So he'll keep going. If I want to get out at this point, I can set it up automatically. So when you get there, I'll take that money and I'm done and I'm out of the trade. Okay. Now, that is the instant execution where you click and you're live in the market. At the same time, I can decide, okay, if it reaches here, I know what the market will do. The market will come there, and then it's very likely that it will actually maybe come down and then go up. So I can set a pending order here, okay, a buy limit. So I'll come here and right click, okay, and I'll put what is called a buy limit. So now it's here. Unlike before, we couldn't see it on TradingView. On this particular one, if I click now, I'm putting an order, a pending order there, which means I don't have to be there on the computer for that order to be executed. It will just happen automatically, okay? At the same time, I can decide, well, this market sometimes moves a lot, and if it goes high, let me first draw a line. Okay, let me draw some lines here. Okay, I can draw a line, horizontal line like that. Okay, so from basic analysis, even you, if you see something is happening on this line, this market seems to be obeying this line. And the market comes down, comes and touches that line, it goes down. Comes up, touches that line, it goes down. Touches the line, it goes down. chances are it will come back and it will touch it again. So I can put an order here. Okay, I can decide that in the market which is there, okay, I can put what is called a sell limit. I want to sell it when it goes down, but I move this up to somewhere there. Okay, if I do that, when the market comes there, it will hit that line and then it will trigger me, put me in there. So as you can see, look at how much I've made so far, how much we've made. We made $14 in those last 2 minutes. We are still talking, but $14, it's going down, $9, but we have 2 pending orders. Oops. Unfortunately, I see my time, our time is almost up. We have less than 2 minutes, but very quickly, you see these 2 are pending orders. This is a buy limit, and this is a sell limit. So the market will automatically trigger those trades when it reaches there. And this will happen even if I shut the computer. So, wow, we have less than 1 minute. Any questions? Any quick questions? I hope I don't have to, okay, let us log in again. So as you can see, this has made $23 as we are talking. $23, and it's still going on, okay? $24, and it's still going on. But our time is up. The timer is less than 1 minute. So can we log out and log in for the conclusion, just for the conclusion, all right?
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so log out and then log in on the same link I've given you for the conclusion.
All right.
Okay.